we have an unboxing to do. What's up guys, Keysy back with another video today, and today we're gonna be unboxing probably the most expensive shoe I've ever bought on this channel for now. I know eventually I'm gonna just keep going up and up from here, but this is the most expensive shoe I have bought on this channel, and it's not a personal either. It's just to hold and to resell later on because I feel like it'll do better just from seeing the past shoes, how well they did and the prices they were at before, and then how well they're doing right now. So we have the box right, that thing hit me in my chin. We have it right here. Have the knife as always. So wait, do I need to make this wider like that? I guess. Ignore these lights, you know what I'm saying? But you know, oh, 1, 2, 3, always cut away from you guys, please. And when you're using a knife and you care about it, like I do with this one, ignore the broken tip because I broke it after like 2 weeks of having it. But make sure to wipe away more gently than what I'm doing, but wipe away all that tape residue. But anyway, put that to the side. Woo! Oof, look at that box. You might not see it, but you take this away. Well, look at that flying back at me over there. Let's get it out of the box. Out of the box. Oh, hold on. Oh, how do we open it upside down? So, all right, but we have the. If you can probably tell already from the box of how like kind of olive green it is. But the shoe we are unboxing here today is. This is just the stock X. Come on, this is just getting delayed. Is the Travis Scott 6'S right here. Bro, this thing looks kind of creased. Not even gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie. It looks a little creased up. This is my first time. Like I said, this is the most expensive shoe I have ever bought and spent money on, and it's not even for me. It's for investment. But this shoe looks like I would own this myself. Like this thing, it looks absolutely insane. Why is our thread already coming off? But anyway, y'all, if you see this thing is absolutely insane. This thing is all kind of suede material all around. With the Travis Scott shoes, they always have to have something very different about them because, you know, Travis Scott did make these himself, designed them himself. And just like on the Jordan 1s, you have this little pocket right here to store a bunch of little items, you know, like, you know, narcotics if you're into that stuff, but I'm not, so I wouldn't be storing that kind of stuff in there. But this shoe is absolutely insane. I feel like they chose the right color olive, like, because a lot of shoes when they say it's an olive colorway, it's either too like bright green or something, or it's a little just too dark and it kind of looks brown. But this one, I feel like they chose the right one for it, and like I just really like this shoe overall. I really wish that I would have got myself a personal, but I'd rather make money than have my own personal shoe. On the soles right here, if you see these spots, they do glow in the dark. Once you hold the light to it, I know you can make it glow a lot faster if you have a black light and just point at it and it'll instantly glow real fast and real bright. But yeah, you have the lace locks right here. This shoe is just absolutely insane. I know I'm really late, like this shoe came out, I don't even know how long ago now. I think it's been months. But I just finally decided, I did save up some money. Finally decided to pull the trigger on these because I do feel like these will be going up over time, especially over in the fall and the kind of the winter, early fall, late winter. Wait, no, early fall, early winter, around that time span, all over that time. But yeah, this shoe is absolutely insane. There's a bunch of other reviews that you could watch, honestly, but this is just a little unboxing of this shoe. I'm gonna have B-roll of this shoe because me just holding it does not do it justice. And yeah, this thing is just absolutely insane. From the Nike Air on the back, like this shoe is just, I really like it a lot. That's all I really have to say, honestly. Like I was saying earlier, all the Travis Scott shoes eventually hit that $1,000 to $1,500 range. I remember when I was looking at the Travis Scott 4s for a personal, those, I really wanted those, and they were only like $400, and I was scared to pull the trigger on them to get them. And now they're like $1,500 in the size 9 for me. These are a size 9. I paid like $757 after processing, shipping, and taxes. Originally these were $685, but I paid damn near $90 to get these to me, above what, you know, the sale price. But like I said, all the other shoes, like the sales, I forgot the other colorway, the other white ones, Air Force Ones, the Jordan ones, obviously, those are the most hype ones, I think. The Jordan 4s, like I said, they've all reached $1,000 now just because of how much hype Travis Scott has behind them. And I feel like these will easily trail up and follow the past shoes of hitting around $1,100 to $1,500. So that's why I went ahead and pulled the trigger on these. This is just an investment that I felt want to go ahead and do. You guys don't have to follow that or anything, but that was just my opinion. And if these don't go up, you know, oh well, I'll probably just hold these for myself, honestly, if I don't make my money back. But yeah, this is a great shoe, honestly, and I really, really like it. If you go ahead and see right here on the right pair, you have, so originally they come with the olive strings right there. And then you also have a black, and then you also have a yellow. I really like that yellow one. I have seen these shoes, and then people have put the yellow laces on them. I really, really love that combination. It just kind of stands out, and I do kind of like shoes that stand out from all the others, and I feel like that stands out a lot, and the color combination is absolutely great with those yellow, and then the yellow laces, and then the entire olive shoe. So we're just going to put these right here. I did get them off StockX. I probably paid too much for them. Like I always do on StockX because they be taxing out the ass. But if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe to see more unboxings, vlogs, tutorials, random videos. I just love making videos for you guys. So like I said, if you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Hold on. Peace. Hold on. Peace.